attention, but yeah, that's all that she's getting. Her song is on and she's spinning.
Okay, so I got 2 of the 45-pound bumper plates in. I got these 2 off of Amazon because I wanted them quick. They're still Titan Fitness. And then I ordered 2 more off of Titan Fitness's site because I found out they're just a little bit cheaper. So I got 2 more of the 45-pound plates and then 2 more 25-pound plates. And then for like the change weights, like 10s, 5s, I'll get those eventually. I'm not too worried about that, but yeah, this is the stall mat, 4x6 stall mat. I still have to make the deadlift platform with. So yeah, I came to the office quickly this morning to get a few things done, but I gotta run. I'm gonna get a workout in quick, and then I have to adjust a couple of people at the other gym I go to. And there's still some people there that I just adjust while I'm there. And then I have to come back here again because tonight I have a movement session, that's what I like to call them, with one of my patients who is trying to tweak her deadlift form just a little bit. So I really enjoy those type of sessions because I just get to help people move better. So whether you're trying to change your gait, the way you walk, or do a lat pull down, for example, that's I watch how you do it and then give you a few suggestions on how to tweak it so that you can avoid injury or just lift heavier. So that is the game plan. I also got to run to the bank, so got a few things to do before I have to get back here tonight. I think I'll try to hang the TV up. I just haven't done it because I don't want to be pounding into that wall while people are working next door, so I'm gonna wait till after hours for that. And yeah, that's about it. I'm still just trying to decide what to do with this last piece of turf. I don't know if I'm gonna cut it and then try to fill that space there. I put it like L-shaped that way, but it just looked stupid. I didn't like it. So yeah, I might even like put it L-shaped back there, maybe. That could be a possibility. The possibilities are endless. Actually, that might be the best idea yet. I don't know. I'll figure it out. I'm not too concerned with it. Either way, they're usable. So, yep. So, got to go.
I know she's got haters.
How does your back feel?
Fine.
It feels good. Okay. Even your upper back's okay?
Mm-hmm.
For the most part?
No?
I don't wanna say goodbye.
Because they were.
Plymouth?
Yeah,
Right.
like they're getting it for free.
Right.
Hey, and they're supposed to be out there at a certain time or something.
They're really relying on that, aren't they?
So easy. Because now, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm like, well, I mean, you're getting it for free, so.
Right. Man.
So I'm just not understanding.
Yeah.
Which I'm like, need to know because this was, what, 2 months ago that this happened?
Right.
And now he doesn't even have a space. He's looking